Ever felt like you're throwing money into a digital black hole? Subscriptions popping up on your bank statement, names you barely recognize, and a general sense of wait, what's that for? Yeah, me too. And let's be honest, we've all been there with subscription management apps. They promise to be the financial superhero, swooping in to save us from unwanted charges. But what happens when the superhero itself becomes, well, a bit too expensive? Or maybe, just not the right fit anymore? Specifically, let's talk about Rocket Money. You signed up, maybe you loved it, maybe you didn't. But now, you're asking the big question, can I cancel my Rocket Money subscription now? That's the question we're tackling today. Not just a simple yes or no, but a deep dive into the how, the why, and the potential pitfalls you might encounter. Because let's face it, nothing's ever as straightforward as it seems in the world of online subscriptions. First, let's establish some context. Rocket Money, formerly Truebill, positions itself as a powerful tool for managing your finances. It aims to identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate bills, and even help you track your spending. It's designed to bring clarity and control to your financial life. But, like any tool, it comes with a price. And sometimes, that price doesn't align with your needs anymore. Maybe your financial situation has changed. Maybe you found a different method for managing your subscriptions. Or maybe, you simply realized you weren't utilizing Rocket Money to its full potential. Whatever the reason, you're looking to cut ties. So, the short answer is, yes, you absolutely can cancel your Rocket Money subscription. But, as with anything involving money and online services, there are nuances to consider. Let's break down the cancellation process itself. Rocket Money offers different subscription tiers, and the cancellation process might vary slightly depending on which one you're on. Generally, you can cancel through the app or the website. If you're using the app, you'll typically need to navigate to your account settings, find the subscription management section, and look for the cancellation option. It's usually labeled something like Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. The exact steps might change as the app updates, but the general principle remains the same. On the website, the process is similar. You'll need to log into your account, find your subscription details, and locate the cancellation option. Again, it might be hidden in the settings or under a billing or account management section. Now, here's where things get interesting. Rocket Money, like many subscription services, might try to retain you as a customer. They might offer you a discount, a free trial extension, or other incentives to stay. It's a common tactic, and it's perfectly legitimate. Before you make a decision, consider whether these offers align with your needs. If you were on the fence about canceling, a discount might be enough to convince you to stay. But if you're determined to cancel, stick to your guns. Don't let the allure of a temporary discount sway you from your original goal. Another crucial point to consider is the timing of your cancellation. Most subscription services, including Rocket Money, operate on a billing cycle. If you cancel mid-cycle, you'll likely still have access to the service until the end of your current billing period. However, you won't be charged for the next cycle. It's important to understand your billing cycle to avoid any unexpected charges. Check your account details or your confirmation email to find out when your next billing date is. Canceling a day or two before your next billing date ensures that you won't be charged again. Now, let's address some potential concerns. What happens to your data after you cancel? Rocket Money collects a significant amount of your financial information to provide its services. This includes your bank account details, transaction history, and subscription information. According to their privacy policy, Rocket Money takes data security seriously. However, it's always a good idea to review their privacy policy before signing up for any service. After you cancel, they typically retain some of your data for a certain period, as required by law or for legitimate business purposes. You can usually request deletion of your data, but this might be subject to certain limitations. Another concern is the potential impact on your finances. If you were relying on Rocket Money to manage your subscriptions and bills, canceling it means you'll need to take on those responsibilities yourself. This might involve manually tracking your subscriptions, negotiating bills, and monitoring your spending. Before canceling, make sure you have a plan in place to manage your finances without rocket money. Consider using a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or other tools to stay on top of your finances. Let's also talk about customer support. If you encounter any issues during the cancellation process, or if you have any questions about your account, don't hesitate to contact Rocket Money's customer support. They're there to help you resolve any issues and ensure a smooth cancellation process. Now, let's address the why behind your wanting to cancel. Maybe you signed up during a period of financial stress, and now you're more stable. Maybe you found that the features you wanted were already being offered by your bank or credit card company. Perhaps you became uneasy with the amount of financial data you were sharing. All of these are perfectly valid reasons. There's no shame in reassessing your subscriptions and making changes as your needs evolve. In fact, it's a sign of financial awareness and responsible money management. Remember, subscription services are tools. They're meant to make your life easier and more efficient. If a tool isn't serving its purpose, it's perfectly acceptable to put it down and find something else. Furthermore, it's worth thinking about the broader context of subscription fatigue. We live in a world where everything is a subscription, from streaming services to software to even groceries. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer number of subscriptions we're paying for. Taking the time to review your subscriptions regularly and canceling the ones you don't need is a crucial part of managing your finances. It's about being intentional with your spending and ensuring that your money is going towards things that truly add value to your life. Before you hit that final cancellation button, take a moment to reflect on your experience with Rocket Money. What did you like? What didn't you like? What could be improved? Your feedback can help Rocket Money improve its services for other users. And finally, remember that canceling a subscription is not a failure. It's a choice. It's about taking control of your finances and making decisions that are right for you. It's about being empowered to manage your money on your own terms. So, to summarize, yes, you can absolutely cancel your Rocket Money subscription. Just remember to understand your billing cycle, be prepared for potential retention offers, and have a plan in place to manage your finances after you cancel. Take your time, weigh your options, and make the decision that's best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.